today me and Bella are going to be doing a taste test video for you guys, and some stuff for in here is animal crackers, a juice, a cinnamon toast crunch bar, close the window please, and Bella here with me, my beautiful sister, is going to be trying it with me. Okay. So, Bella, you want to open it?
Yeah, I know how.
Good job. Okay. So, we have this little bag. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, that's spoon.
There's a spoon and it doesn't look like there's cereal, so we're just gonna put it right there. And we got a straw, it looks like, for the juice, and an napkin. And we got the cinnamon toast crunch bar, animal crackers, and a juice, and that's it. So let's get into the video. Okay, first we're gonna start by trying this. So let's.
I'll take this one.
No, we gotta share. So stop grabbing stuff. Okay. Whoa. The wrapper just went onto the bar. No. We gotta try this, and the wrapper went onto the bar. Maybe we can use the straw to get it off.
Ooh.
Oh, it works.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm going to write his name on this.
Hey. Hello, Mama. Would you like to be my sunshine? Guys, it's not coming off no matter what I do. I'm just gonna tip. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this. That's all I can do, right?
Oh, I picked up my hammer.
See, it's still on there.
This will work.
No, it won't. You and I will fall in love. Yes, it's coming off. Guys, I'm gonna take a bite first. What a pretty good.
I think the case on gases.
Nope, I almost got it off.
Oh.
Get the stuff off of me.
Ow, ow. Ow!
I just blinked a piece of my face.
This will work, something.
No, okay. That could work. This sounds like a freaking brick.
Yeah.
There's just one more piece of paper that's on the freaking bar. I can't get it. I got it! Alright, time to taste it. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, I got it. Time to taste it. Mmm.
Mm.
Oh, we're good. Oh, I'm trying next item. Okay. Next item is the juice. It says, take well. Stop! I'm still chewing it. It's good though. Alright, let's take the juice.
I want juice.
I got one half, you got the other. Alright, now, time to taste the animal crackers. 102 freaking calories? How much has this got? I'm on a diet here. Why am I eating this? It has 60 calories in it. And the bar? How much calories does it got in it? It doesn't. Ugh! I'm on a freaking diet. We split it.
Good stuff in you.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, see?
Pick it off.
It's just so hard.
Alright. First, here's these animal crackers.
We don't need stop.
I can't even open these freaking things.
A little bit pink for that. We see a little paper.
There's no more paper on there. Yeah, no. Yeah, there is. I can't open this. Try and open. Hang on. Bella, can you go out there and get some scissors? Hurry up
And what you doing?
and get the little one. Sure. Oh. I almost just cut my finger off.
Be careful.
Alright, let's try these.
I'm going to cut up one.
Here's one for you. 3, 2. Come on! Bella! Stop! Eat it. That's really good.
No. I didn't want to. Did you get off?
Okay. These animal crackers are kind of gross. But this was the best thing ever. So we're going to put all our trash in here.
I didn't eat my thing.
You and I will fall in love. Sorry guys. I gotta clean off my desk because there's like food comes and there's ants come in my room. So I gotta clean it. And I might also vacuum in here. So.
I don't have to walk.
Alright, I'm gonna go throw this away. Bella, you show them what you're doing. I'm done! Even though it's fake! Oh! I almost fell out of the chair. So, by far, best thing was this. So good.
I'm going to sleep because it's full.
You didn't sleep in your room.
Let's go! I
Go put them back. There's hair on mine. Bella, go put the thing back. Stop. And by the way, I got a Musical.ly account. Go check it out. It's just a cool wow. I've been 57. I have lots of Musical.lys. Give them a thumbs up and follow me. And I'll send you a friend request. And I'll also follow you back. So, and I am going to be getting Snapchat soon. So that way I'll have an actual social media. Sorry. Alright. Peace out.